Hello, I'm going to be fitting a polycarbonate porthole style window that I picked up off eBay. I've got a Ford Connect short wheelbase. This is the sliding door here I'm going to be sticking it on. The first stage that you want to do is you want to take out these bolts which hold the panel on the outside. These are 10mm bolts. What I've done here is I've just slackened these to finger tight because I don't want the panel falling off the other end. The Haynes manual suggests that you have someone to help you hold the panel on the other side. That is this panel here. So I'm just going to get the door closed and have a feel of it on the other side just now whilst these are fingered tight, and see if I can do it myself. So I can feel that's quite obviously loose now, so I'm just going to be careful about it, take it off bit by bit and see what happens. That was relatively straightforward, just came straight off. I don't think you need to be able to do that, just stick your hand down on the inside and hold it up whilst you take the bolts off there. The next step is to remove this bolt from the inside. And that is this bolt in here, just at the end of that cavity there. Once again, it's a 10mm. This one has got a slightly bigger washer on it than the last, so keep this separate from the first three that you took off. This bolt just requires a quick tap out. And then removed from the outside. Once you've removed the bolt, the next stage is to take out the rubber surround and the rubber end cap. And the second. So if I'd followed the Haynes manual to the dot, it said I need to remove this check strap down at the bottom here, which prevents the door from just reaching right at the end and coming off completely. So now what I'm going to do is spray this with some penetrating spray because these bolts have been in here for some time. Then wait a while, give that a chance to seep in a little bit, and then we'll tackle it. Whilst we're here though, this is a good chance to give the door contact and the door pins a clean. They have a habit of getting a bit dirty over time, so it's good to keep on top of these things. Spotless. Beautiful. So it's time to tackle these rusty bolts. Give them a bit of a wire brushing first. Let's be there. Nice, that 10mm fitting on a lot better. We wouldn't even go on at all before. Check strap off. Okay, so now this arm is free to come off at the end there. Just one more step to go. Again, if I'd read the manual, I'd have seen that I need to remove the upper door stop, which requires removing this bolt here. That bolt looks a little bit rusty, so I'm just going to give that a quick spray with some penetrating oil. Just let that sit for a while. Okay, now that I've given that penetrating spray a little bit of time to get in there and do some of the work for me, I'm just going to crack on with this T27 and I'll rip it out. Bolts out. and the stop's removed. Going to crack on with taking this door off. You need to pull it to the end at the bottom, and that gap that we opened by taking the metalwork off just slides out of there, and it should just run straight off the bottom rail and the top rail. Nice, there she is.